Hey, Tim?
Yeah.
You know that fridge in the garage?
Fridge?
Yeah, the one with the ominous red glow coming from it?
Does ring a bell.
Are you sure? Because I feel like that would be pretty hard to miss.
I'm sure. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Hey, Tim?
Yeah.
You know that fridge I mentioned?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it contains a portal to hell.
Oh! That fridge. Yeah, got that from a witch doctor the other day. He was just giving it away for free.
And you thought taking a fridge containing a portal to hell was a good idea?
Yeah, it was a free fridge. And I guess it's not actually just a portal to hell. It goes to a number of different dimensions, all with their own set of mythical creatures.
What?
Yeah. And apparently, if we don't make an effort to contain them, they're going to get out and terrorize the world or whatever. Good luck.
This is fine. It's just a bunch of demons, right? You could totally do this. No problem.
So, how'd it go?
I've been better.
You had your cross, didn't you? Oh. Well, this is a new look for you.
Pixies love their glitter.
I think you look very pretty.
Go to hell.
But that was yesterday. What happened this time? Was it kelpies? No. Mermaids. No, wait. It was the Loch Ness Monster.
Werewolves, actually. It just happened to be raining outside.
Huh.
Do we have any raw meat? Succubi.
You lucky son of a...
Hey Tim, is this all of our garlic?
Yeah. Vampires?
Vampires.
That sucks.
You could help, you know!